Muthee Kiengei nĩaremetwo kũhitha kĩeha gĩake na gũkorwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri nditũ mũno na gũitũrũra kĩeha na ruo rwake through his social media pages, na oho gũkorwo akĩandĩka tribute ĩno kũrĩ his beloved parent whom he lost. Kiengei agĩkiuga ma nĩ haritũ mũno, maũndũ matikoretwo me mahũthũ kũrĩke na it hurts every day, na mũno mũno aririkana atĩ ona ndakorirwo akĩona chance ya gũkorwo akiuga goodbye na gũkorwo akiuga ciugo ciake cia mũico. It all happened at once, nĩ kĩũndũ kĩa matũngire all at once, na agakiuga the memories are still fresh in his mind, in his heart, ona nginya the feelings are present still date, na agakiuga he wishes they were still here so that they could at least spend more time together, na nigetha ona maikorwo makiona how far he has gone na how much of a blessing he has become, ona nginya maiki witness his kingdom na what he is doing through his ministry kũrĩa JCM. No Kiengei agakiuga hatirĩ ũhoro, it is well, na agakiuga ona he has a picture on his walls, mbica ya gũtũra ĩmũririkanagia his beloved mom, na agakiuga she will forever be in his heart. Na Kiengei penned this painful tribute once again kũrĩ mami wao, akĩririkana gĩkuũ kĩa mami wao agĩkiuga 10 years ago mama went. Mama, memories are still fresh, feelings all day missing your presence. It's 10 years today since you closed your eyes to bid the world a goodbye. Your heart paused and your veins filled. You never said I'm going, and you never promised to return. I know you joined your forefathers and your creator and maker, and that's why you are happy there and in rest at peace. Mama, your son is still strong, hopefully pressing on to make you a proud woman as you wished and prayed. Your wise words still moving me a mile far. You are missed, you are still loved, cherished, and adored. I became what you wanted, a servant of God and to people. How I wish that you were here to see what I am doing to the kingdom. Your picture still on my walls as a respect to you. Continue resting in peace, Mama Kiarie. Kiengei akiririkana mami wao akiuga it's been 10 years. This marks the 10th anniversary ever since his dear mother rested, na agakiuga the memories are still fresh, na muno agĩcakaya atĩ he didn't get the chance to say a goodbye to his mom, it all just happened at once. Na agakiuga he knows she is resting in peace, na even though he misses her, he has a picture on his walls, a respect to his mom, agĩkĩmwĩra may she continue resting in eternal peace. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.